Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And guys, yes, I'm back with the Fiat Bravo. Guys, I just been uploading videos with the AUDI restoration, and in general people are enjoying, which I'm really happy with that. But guys, the AUDI A3 will stop a little bit, for now at least, because it's missing expensive things like the paint, the headlights and a few other things, but I will make a video in the future, or in next week maybe, with the status of the project, what is missing, because it's missing small things, but it's also missing bigger things to do, you know. And for example, paint, which will be kind of expensive because I don't have enough room to do it by myself. I don't have the right tools to do it, and I don't want to mess up with the paint, so I will send the car for paint, and as you know, it's expensive. But guys, let's go for this video. And in this video, in this Fiat Bravo 96 Fiat Bravo 1.6, this car have a cool thing that I really like, which is the sunroof, guys. But the sunroof, it's not working. When I bought, I didn't realize that, but of course when I tried to open it, basically it don't do absolutely nothing. And also when I open the doors, the light in the roof is not working also. So I believe it's a problem related with the motor. I believe I bought a used motor that it comes also with the light, so will be an easy thing to do at least. And I hope my problem it's the motor, because I would love to see this sunroof working. So guys, let's go, let's replace this motor and pray that's the problem. Okay guys, let's go. So guys, I will turn on the key, so to show you. Let me mute this radio, please, come on. Okay, this is the light, so, and this is the sunroof control, and nothing. So guys, as you can see, let's focus. Okay, this is turned to doors open, so the light should be on when the doors are open, and it's not working. The only way that I believe this works is this side over here, and the problem here is not the bulb, because I replaced for the new one and nothing happens. Just this side that works. Okay, this side simply doesn't do nothing, and the sunroof, nothing, no move. So guys, what I'm gonna do is to remove this cover right here. This one right here, it's missing because I broke it. I need to glue, and actually the new one don't have. This is the other one. Okay guys, but guys, what I'm gonna do so is to remove these plastic covers, and there is two screws right here, one this side and another one this side. So I just need to remove this. So guys, what I'm gonna do next is to disconnect the plugs, and then I will show you how to remove the motor. Okay, let's go. So guys, everything is disconnected. This is the plug for the motor, this is the plug for the light, and then the motor, it's right here. Right here. Okay, to remove it, there is 3 screws, one here, another one here, and another one like hidden in here somewhere. Oh, okay, right here. Okay, 3 screws, and you just need to pull out. Let's go. Yay! So guys, this is the old one, okay, and right here it's the new. Use it, but for me it's new. And what I'm gonna do is to assemble this one right here, and basically this is what you have inside. So guys, this is the motor reference if someone needs. Okay, here it is. If you just buy the motor, probably you have to make the connections, but mine will save me a bit of time and I hope it works. Let's see. So guys, I already assembly, I just didn't put the light back, but I made the connection. This is the motor connection, and let's see if it works. And guys, in 1, 2, 3, please, 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 please. Oh, without the key this don't work. Jesus. Let's see. Let me just put the radio with the volume off, otherwise I get blocked by copyright. Okay, let's see guys. And now in 1, 2, 3, please. Yeah. Oops, I heard something. This don't open. Nice. Aha. Oh yeah, baby. It's working. It's working, and I'm running out of battery. Guys, I will reassemble this and I will get back to you to show. Holy, what a nice. So guys, I'm really happy that the sunroof worked. Guys, the sunroof is something that I really like. I also have it in the Audi A3, and guys, I love it. I just love it. Guys, one less problem in this Fiat Bravo. The project continues, and guys, I hope you enjoy and maybe help you somehow. So guys, thanks for watching, and as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.